Ini kau kita ni. Den về H2R rong khal mula. Ang sudden pakalitak na yun. Isa thum som kuwa di din tan thei ka ho ha. Rak thal tu. Mina zong pa lang khal pai lo. Sak turut. Ayang.
Street food hot food lâu nang.
Ah, isa pa dito ha. Street food susul eh. Salah. Ayan.
Ini bedonan. Big Mac khi anh duyên thì khi kia sang cuối kia.
Đấy, cái kiếm rồi.
Mexican phải hiểu đẹp mà.
Không bột xôi gì.
Có kiểu cái này đó.
Các thằng cần mang thêm em.
Mang thêm nó. Ít trái đúng rồi. Trái nào mấy rồi. Anh ấyดู
อยู่ตรงเกี่ยงเราค่ะไอ้อินไอดุนเทคันค่ะ
the leg piece.
goreng
One piece ayam. 2 pieces. Top này tôi gọi burger đấy.
top
Medium size.
thả lỏng gọi lên yo 1 2 mà đi mẹ tiệt sao không đó không là cả thế mấy ini puar pengpong boka atai khi kalmi lo kal phang te yang hay rong kol chuan pro đây chưa lo rap khal con dum dai mo kain e puerta nui thei đâu ta chuan biam bas mo kan chan don ticket khá lâu mình sang hộ mẹ rồi đấy đồng hoàng ai là không time waste đâu mà mình cắt luôn tay mình cắt đến lúc đặt chuan thổi mẹ lướt tục xin can city route kan kana tu na garden route song về lại chuan thung anh đi ai yên à đại nhóm tụ cho nó lên ở với em chuẩn là hàng kho lên em đấy nổi lên à mà xí Ni sa tongem kang kal na lamay ni sa tongem.
Ito mga okay, building pang kuya design so song na yan.
River. Pero kang kal na lang pang
Benta 118 อันนี้คืออัตรา
So na
น่าจะอันละstop อันละ stop ตัว coming soon
kaso na lang turbo.
อันนี้น่าจะ coming soon อันละสิจะว่า
Turun may kal na lang
agad
saya tang kam tela dengan suanak route hiju ang lawan ito garden route lampangan niya makan
Ladies
sa
and
zong
gentlemen, now we are heading to
City
stop
Road.
number 17, Central Market.
Central
Central Market Kuala Lumpur is an award-winning bazaar which offers a variety of products created by local artists and craftsmen. The building designed by architect and engineer TYD is a fine example of a Rico style of the 1930s. The main structure was constructed in 1888 as Kuala Lumpur Main Wet Market. Over the last 20 years, the tenant of Central Market have contributed to the tourism industry by selling and promoting art, handicraft and souvenirs. Ladies and gentlemen, on your right is a Kuala Lumpur railway station, one of the most picturesque buildings we can see on our tourism promotion and advertisement. Complete in 1910, the building was the hub of the transportation system in the city. Before the modern Kuala Lumpur Central Station was built 16th of April 2001.
ilapay lang ini ano natin
Kang kal na lang Little India hawan taman yang Little India nanti dana Taiping Valley không quỳ chứ đây là nó nghỉ đón sẽ lại building chứ đấy sẵn xuống qua đấy thì làm sao World Gold winner.
Today there is a wonderful lineup of Indian shop, restaurant and many places of worship.
Bayan kembali
Kalau saya di ganito tero Indian and in Little India. Hello, Riz dige. Railcom. Electric fungsi juga nih bu. Railcom. Motor dito ko po bengi so. Ma'am. Asik lu tuh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now at our stop number 18, Little India Greyfield. Stop number 18.
Stop number 18, Little India. Terpating besok may license na.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we are heading to stop number 19, KL Central Station.
Number 19, ingin mo Ming?
KL Central.
KL Central
Train
Station.
station. Sina Lengkong Kati.
Oh. Lan satu motor lihat sih tahu keron ya. KL train station. Ai sẽ mình điểm đều. Tạm biệt là phải. Mau về đua gì hay là traffic rules shit về ngay đó đấy. KL Central công số mà các bạn Tata Consulting Service Terus dia venga India kai.
Ladies and gentlemen, KL Central is Kuala Lumpur largest integrated transportation in Malaysia. It was officially opened on 16 April 2001. There is daily trains leaving from the station to all corners of the city, and even connects to city outside Kuala Lumpur, also to KLIE and to Singapore in the south and Thailand up in the north. As mentioned earlier, KL Central is the central hub for all KTM commuter, LRT, MRT and monorail lines in Kuala Lumpur, as well as the ERLO express rail link to KLIE airport together with airport buses.
Ini pokok rail station.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now at our stop number 19, KL Central Station. Stop number 19.
Di Mingaw pa nilang law para lupa ni ngay turan. Stop number 19.
Museum, Department from History and Culture. The museum was built on the site of the Oslang Museum, which was dismantled during the World War II, and the museum had a major upgrade in 2008.
National Museum. Malaysian National Museum. Koveledonplats. Standard level lab.
Museum to.
We are now at our stop number 20, National Museum. Stop number 20.
Stop number 20, National Museum. Yan, National. Malaysia na makantan. Meka, kantan turko nga. Hiyanin. Malaysian National Parliament. Sampel, Donbok, ani. Lolowin. Sampelin mo.
This complex has an area of 97.65 hectare, 22 dome and is split into 3 main portions.
Ito na, yan.
The instrumentals are decorated with
Ang lalusong sarina, Dimitro.
and change color according to occasions. At the main entrance, there is a banner scout from the 1st Battalion of the Royal Malay Regiment and
Dito lang,
also a
donkey.
Coast Guard line to Buckingham Palace of United Kingdom.
National Museum. Sa Susun National Palace. Kung naman ito yung kan tankol doon mo, kan tankol doon Anlal Samsari na. Ay hi National Anlal in
National Palace.
tankol pido mo ko ti tankol sa tisin le. Boy puk thelo ni mo dan su.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are
Lalin sa kan yung cocktail ka doon na ito pa lang. Ang lalin su niya ang lalin lay lung chukan rafya nghe ya nói là bây giờ thu cái gì chung atang yan soya kan thu ve to ai so ta sang driver thu ni Anlal po ka di aming ka Musulman.
Wira.
Kamu Musulman ni dat. Kasi Musulman ramhan ni shima. Tiro. Tuhun lai mi to tiro. Japan how. Ralen lai mi. Ati tada ni. Tai mo. Antai nuang siya.
Butterfly Park and Kuala Lumpur Bird Park. The Kuala Lumpur Bird Park was opened in 1991 and is the home to more than 3,000 birds from 200 species from Malaysia and all over the world. The free platform inventory has over 60 species of local and foreign birds, including the Indian blue peacock, which is colorful 5'3", and the crown pigeon, the largest pigeon species in the world. Wakilista encouraged to Sultan Abdul Razak Memorial, National Planetarium, and the Royal Malaysia Police Museum.
Planetarium. Police Museum. Apa film boy? So.
Salapak, may tayo mo salapak.
Bird Park.
This is po tam pero di lomi. Behet he.
World's largest
Flight walk-in aviary. Assalamualaikum. Anh sổ đâu mấy rồi tên nhạc khi liền như anh hung di rame sa takyan ang sumin hang pro mason na itro
nó lại ngoài cho con bridge ở người đèn
ram re thấy trong cắn thịt thầy lâu này lâu ạ ấy tu hi nó mà đi anh ấy đang thi lần thân thì ở lâu quê phú đó là một con liền tên là lâu sao vào hậu sun sổ lâu nan mo.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now at our stop number 22, Kuala Lumpur Bird Park. Stop number 22.
Stop number 22, Bird Park. Ini kan, ya Bird Park. Nah yan, kan stop na per tu kan tinggal na garden route lama cuan. Cuan sumi dua cuan ama cuma lama kan cuan na city route lama kan cuan lek don ni. sa nu so ka posita chun mo mati me ni der maya
Subway.
subway
Sorry, Sunway.
subway ni ang Sunway.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now at our stop number 26, Sunway Putra Hotel and Sunway Putra Mall. And for your information, we are taking a short break here,
Subway,
around 5 to 7 minutes for free.
Sunway nama art building chu arong pit uchu tay mi te nai vera khop mai pa ye ka wa shai mai thei mi lo ake chu 114 hung lama manga ha chuan 110 na mang loi box ya miselin te ara manga ni so aseng ba ye ka shai mi lo kieng he tam tak tak ni o Honda le Yamaha de vir ani atam jok song dir thei hi chuan an two wheeler on motor pon ya number mak thei hlom hai SYE MDC BQF te VDC BPT VMC VLN AMP WB VLW JRS VJD BS VBA ano motor number ni sini le mak lam le
Alphabet Patumku.
enge
Ai bang bang zar hey MT01A AB kan tan ang yan MT2. Atira ABC
ani chuni chu
Tamba do sa sequence. And then on A
Y15 zeta
kanit sa AB AB not ABA ABC atam take that.
chuni chu R15 dilan
Mutations and combinations.
Y15ZR ni tu daran ding kamo R15 dilan Y15ZR